you need to take off the big sticker packaging.
Oh, okay, name my garbage bin for this.
Bring it closer to you. Why do you have it like 5 feet away from like the lead?
Stick in you, Bob. Go in there.
Bravo, Sophie.
Bravo, Sophie.
This is Bob. I think this is the area. Ah, it's sticking to me.
Oh, I got it.
Oh my god, everything's sticking to my head.
I see the zipper. I see the zipper, but you need to peel the whole sticker off so I can get to the ends of the zipper.
Can you take that off? Okay.
I'm so excited.
It's explode or something, yeah.
Yeah, unwrap it.
Message.
What did it say? I will try.
Hair
Makeup check.
makeup check.
I think you got like a hair makeup-y one. It says hair makeup check.
I want to see. Yes.
I can see the black. Here's your message.
Можешь. That's the whole point. Patient.
Why are you opening this? Use your teeth. Actually, I'm not going to use my teeth.
Yeah, don't use your teeth on camera.
My eating.
Okay, should I help you?
No. I think. Oh, it says start here.
Yes.
Go here.
Yes, that's that here. Bravo.
Yes, Savannah.
Yo.
I
I feel like I'm feeling the orange. I'm feeling the orange. Are you going to be this one, Barbie?
Uh-oh.
Yeah, do you want to be this one in Barbie?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god, it's sticking to me.
Good.
Oh.
Oh! I think you open it now, Savannah. Crack it open.
Let's see which one you got. Open the door first. It's this one. Yeah.
Open the door, open the door.
I need my scissors.
Okay.
Just a second. You know. I got to get my scissors.
No, Sophie, no touching.
What are you touching? Is that there?
I'm-
Don't set an example.
This is what I was. Wait, where's the sticker sheet?
Oh, there it is.
Oh, there's the
Stavi tamo. Pustite.
Okay, I got my scissors.
Okay, you got
Can I look
everything?
at the checklist?
Okay, let's see.
Let's see.
Be careful not to.
But no, then you'll see what's inside. Don't open the checklist, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah,
The
don't
whole
open.
point is open the bags.
Open the bag, and then we'll check which doll it is.
Yeah, and then
because it
check
might
if
be
there's
rare.
everything inside, yeah.
Savannah, do you think you're super lucky today and you might get a rare?
Okay.
I hope you get a rare.
Can I?
You deserve a rare. She's got glittery hair. OMG. Okay.
Wait, I want to check. I know. Can I check her? Okay.
Okay, Savannah can check.
Can I? This.
Čekajte.
I'm so excited.
I'm going on your other side.
Okay, look at all these. Those. So
Okay,
you
let's
got.
try to find her. Here she is, look. She's in the glam club.
She cries.
She cries.
She's a crybaby.
She's a crybaby.
Okay, where's the baby gone? What?
Chocolate. Chocolates.
Where did they go? I'll find her after. It's fine. Oh,
No, there she is.
Who stole her?
I needed to show it to the camera.
Certo.
What we have here is. What is this?
It's a black light.
It's a black light. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do that last.
Do that last. Do that last.
I think this is an outfit.
Yeah, I think it might be. Do you think it might be an outfit? Right. I'm gonna hold the checklist just so I know that we have all the accessories and we haven't lost anything. Savannah, you are so lucky though, because if you're gonna be this one in Barbie, you kind of look like a princess as well.
Look at that
OMG.
That is adorable. That is adorable. Oh, this is a small one. This is shoes. Probably shoes. I don't want to cut it.
Is she rare? Wait.
That's
She
mustard.
ultra.
Wait.
Where's the heart?
She's a rare! She's a rare!
She got this little wrist.
She's a rare!
Okay, put this on her wrist.
Look.
Okay.
Oh,
Get her
there's a
dress.
star. She's a
What are
rare.
you doing? But you
Savannah,
need to get her dress.
Savannah, let's keep this because this can be like a
Where's the
good
little
Barbie.
bracelet gone? I'll put it on her. Okay. And this is the
I'll
put this line back. Actually, Savannah, can I put this dress on so we don't lose it? Yeah. Put it on. So do we need to first take that? I think this is the shoes.
Yeah, it could be the shoes. I think it's the shoes.
Yes, it's the shoes. They're pink. They're
Oh
hot.
my god. Where's the other one? Ah! Be careful. Be careful.
These are so cute.
Yeah,
These
they
are so
really cute.
This is odd.
They're really cute. Wait, I want to figure out this black light. I think you pull this and then it comes.
No, don't. I want to do it.
You can
I think this is the sippy cup.
reveal
Yeah,
black
this is-
light surprises. Reveal black light surprises.
This sippy cup
Is
Oh.
on fleek. Look, show it to camera. Show it to camera.
It's glittery.
Don't know how to really put this on.
Should I put it up? I'm really good at putting it. Whoa.
Why do you then always have to call me to do it?
Oh, the band
I don't know.
bottle.
Oh, zippy bottle.
Yeah. That's Saya. Hi here. Oh,
Chin.
Should I help?
yeah. Hey, little bottle. You opened the one bottle. I think I opened the one then. Yeah, I opened it. Sorry, should we now do slime?
Sammy, show the camera what one it is on the checklist.
Well,
Okay,
it's this one right here in the glam club.
Yeah. And I got ultra rare. So
No, you got a rare, not an ultra rare.
Yeah,
but a
rare. I didn't even say that. So you got a lot of stuff here.
Here you go, so.
That's a cup.
Oh my goodness. You can put the light inside.
Right,
Wait,
so
I'm gonna
this
put the light
one is
inside.
called,
Put the light in so she glows.
so basically, she's called Gala QT. Isn't that right?
I
What?
revealed something.
Well,
I revealed something. She gets a pattern. She gets a pattern on her dress.
Look,
You
look.
see that? She has a
Before
little.
and after.
You see that? There's little white dots. Little white dots.
I can see.
Look. See
Show
that?
camera.
See that? You see how she kind of got dots?
Look, Savannah, yours is so rare, it's on the cover.
I know. How do you turn this off now? Oh, like that.
How do I get the scorpions, you know? You realize I have...
It's so soft. So sticky. I think this is Sophie's first time slime.
Aha.
She never
Widzisz?
had it.
Nie ma.
Daddy, I need shake it.
Olej.
Ja skoro spremno slime mój.
A pewnie zapowiem sandwich gotowa.
It's just so gooey. I saw my size big. Hey, look. Oh. Ew. Mogę i zgadać.
Musisz.
Oh, it's purple. It's purple. Oh. It totally worked. It's so
Możesz
hot.
owoc sasi, now you can add this, jeśli хочеш.
Wait, what? Stop.
Je pomiješajte ga sa party sluzio da postane puhast.
Then you have to put it back in the refrigerator.
Ne, samo da se pomije. Hoćemo ga otvoriti pa vidjeti kako je ovo. Šta je ovo?
Yeah. Is that the glue?
A?
Is that the glue? It's so soft. It turned out purple. It was pink on the package. It turned out purple, and now it's blue. It's like this dark blue color. I want it. Wait a second. Can I hold it? Wait a second. Does it make it soft? I get. Wait a second. Not touch it. Remember, not touch it. It's making it softer.
Is it?
It is.
A?
Kind of.
Hoćemo staviti još?
Da.
Hoćeš miješati zajedno?
Czekaj. Trebam ovo sve miješati. Kind of made it like a light color.
Hoćeš?
Može. Hoćemo staviti još. I think it gets...
Stavi ovako u sredinu. Hladna je, fina je.
Da, baš hladno. Ovo je bolje nego taj sticky slime. Spremno je moj. Ohoho.
Evo. Dobro miješaj se to.
Dobro. Aj, idem pokazać Sami.
Po mraku treba, po mraku. We need to glow in the dark.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Sienna, it's like your face.
See it there.
It's like your face. It's weird.
It looks
Face
so
off.
clear. This is so good. Connie, look. It's gonna be like slime world. We never had slime before like that.
Ma nemoj, imali smo dosta, ma nemoj.
We did, but we lost it. No, we did lost it. But check. Look how far it's stretching.
Ovo ćemo sandvič napraviti popodne.
So easy. It's really easy. The last one turned out really bad.
got a message.
Daddy, got message on my
Lobster.
Yeah, the lobster.
A može biti ni rak. Da, bravo.
You want
You try this.
Nije to škorpion samo. Daj da vidi Savannah, Savannah.
Oh.
Hoće još da...
Oštro.
A je škorpion.
Oh.
To nije. Si, tamo digni malo ovo. Sjena digni je tu se poda. Samo odne tu, lagano. Dobro, pusti sad. Pusti.
Hoćemo ga pustit. Samo to.
Evo ti je steći slaj.
It looks like candy.
Candy floss.
It looks like candy.
Mom, I need to paint
Ew.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.